So I want to talk about static. This thing that I'm doing for my dust collection here. What I did is I ran foil tape. You can see foil tape running all the way up it. And then it goes all the way to the back. Oops. Let me throw that on the ground. And then it goes all the way on the back. And then what I did with these connectors is just had a piece of copper wire, one that goes all the way through, and then it just meets up, and then I twist them up. So it's connecting to the metal and then runs all the way through, and then the tape and the copper makes a connection. And then the same thing over here. So I've got a Y. So I've got a connection all the way going around. I've got a connection wrapping around and into the hole and then back around through there. And then I've got another connection on the bottom that does the same thing. And then as that goes on, that can be extended, so on. But that's my idea for static, because it's not that I'm concerned about explosion, but there is some electronics connected to this machine that it probably wouldn't be a bad idea just to have it, you know. And what I'll do with this is I'll have this last connection here, just kind of connect to the housing here. I'll make sure wherever it's grounded, and then put it on bolt there or whatever, that bolt or somewhere. And then it'll be grounded there, and then from once it comes down the hose, I'll do the same thing. I haven't done it yet on that, but I'll connect the wire. There's a wire inside here, so I'll expose that, connect that to the tape, and then at the end of that, I'll make a little connection and then run a wire from that to the spindle. That should ground the whole static electricity from, because it's the dust in the hose that creates the static electricity. So hopefully that should mitigate everything. Thanks for watching.